I have this little camera here from Sharper Image that I've had it for a while, and it stopped working. The battery is no longer holding. So I'm going to unscrew these screws. So there's one in this corner. There are two of them on the bottom, and there's another one on this corner here. So I'm going to eject the card. It looks to me that one of my video channels stopped working, so we'll just, I guess, put this, and that's what we probably should have done in the first place. Okay, so I removed the SD card, which is over here, and I'm going to take this first screw out. I also use this magnet to hold the little screws. I have never done this before, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I better get a tweezer here. Somewhere here to my right is a tweezer. There we go. And okay. So I'm going to put this in a picture so you can, let's see which way, this way. So you can see where I'm putting it. I'm putting it on this little magnet. Except, okay, I'll just put it here. Okay, so I removed the first corner. Now I'm going to flip it over and remove the other corner. Put the screw back in right here, and now I'm going to remove the two bottom screws. And looks to me they're all the same length, so you don't have to worry about misplacing the right size, because they are all the same. Yeah, they're the same length, as you can see, that one and this one here too, all four of them. Okay, so now I unscrew that, so I assume this whole front should come out. So I use my fingernail to go around, because it looks like it's like snapped. It's snapped in place. So as you can see, I'm using my fingernail. There are little tabs, and then this cover came off. So that's this part, and then this is the inside, and somewhere is a battery. But where is the battery? I don't know. And I wish I had a little bit more light here so you can see it better, but I'm going to put magnifying glass on my forehead. And I'm going to examine this, and I see screws. 4 screws are on each corner that hold this whole thing together. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. And the screws are identical with the case screws. Okay, all 4 screws from the 4 corners are removed. There's some kind of a hair. Okay, let's see, that was it. Looks like that was it. It's loose, but it doesn't want to come out. Don't understand why it doesn't want to come out. It's no longer, the 4 screws are no longer attached, but something is holding it back. There are other screws in this very corner and that corner, as well as the other 2 corners. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those, but I'm gonna have to get me a different screwdriver. This one is too wide in here, so I'm gonna go on this side of the room, and I brought me a set of screwdrivers that are thinner and longer, and we need a Phillips, probably this size right here. So that's the screwdriver I selected. Maybe I need to use the smaller one. Let's see if the smaller one is better. No, it's the bigger one. Some reason I'm unscrewing them, but I'm not positive. If they are coming along. There we go. Okay. And then this thing is in a way, there's a piece back there that conflicts with this, so I have to take these other 2 screws on the bottom out. That holds the attachment, the 1/4 Okay. So this piece I had to remove. This piece right here that goes into the bottom right here, it sticks out. Otherwise this whole thing wouldn't slide out. Now let's see if I can. There we go. Wow, it has a much bigger screen than what it shows here. That's interesting. Look at how large the screen is. And the battery is glued right here. So how am I gonna get the battery out? I think they made this so it's not serviceable. Okay, how am I gonna... This is separating pretty good, except here, which this is the board that... This board is, you know, like that, and then there's another one here. And as you can see, there's a little room to slide these things out. But something is holding it in place. Oh, I can see what is holding it in place. It's the LCD panel displays ribbon cable. Okay, so I guess we have to somehow separate the adhesive. Okay, so whenever I'm working on stuff like this, I have a kit like this that I bought on the internet, and I can't remember exactly where all I bought these. But it basically, you know, has like a spoon, and it's sharp, and it has this type of a spoon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick the one that I think will work, which is, I think, this one right here. So, and I'm gonna pry this battery You have to be careful not to puncture the battery, because you can end up setting a fire to your house. Yeah, they definitely did not want you to change this battery. Because this unit is going to be no good. Okay, so as you can see, I have black stuff on there, so that's the adhesive, and it's glued up front here to this black pad right here, and then it's farther down also. So you just have to, there we go, and we have the battery out, and the model number is PC503040. So I think usually that means the distance from here to here From here to here is the 40, I think. Anyway, so it's hyphen PC 50 30 40, and then down here it says plus, or looks like a plus, 201308110. So 2013. Cannot believe that I've had this for 9 years, but probably I have. So I need to find me a battery like this one. So what I'm going to do is, I don't want to mark where the plus and minus is. So what I'll do is I'll just snap off the wire like that. Okay. And I'm gonna go on the internet and find out if I can order this battery. I'm gonna strip the wire here and here. These are, by the way, the handiest tools to have. As a matter of fact, if you want to buy one, I bought them on Amazon, and they have them in two sizes. This one is the 26 AWG, which is gauge, to 16 gauge. Okay, it's written in here. I know it's hard to tell on the camera, but that's what it is. And it cuts in here and strips wires, like these kind of wires. Now I'm going to turn on the voltmeter over here to my right, and I'm going to measure, see how dead this battery is. And it's it's 0 millivolts, so this battery is definitely dead. So I just need another battery like it. They are all 3.7 volts, by the way. So by the way, here is where the glue was, where that pad that's glued on the back side of the LCD display in here. I know it's hard to tell, the lighting here isn't the best. Okay, so let me go to the internet and see if I can find this. So let's go to Amazon.com, and I'm going to type in 50 30 40 50 30 40 battery, 3.7 volts. And they have them, and they are anywhere from $9 to, well, even $6 over here, but they charge $5 for shipping, and I get Prime, I get free delivery. So PL, that's it, PL. This is PC. Okay, let's type in PC. PC space. That says CL. This one says PL. Also, the other thing you should do is get yourself a caliper and then measure the battery. Make sure that you are not ordering too big of a battery. So it is 30 millimeters wide. That's what that 30 is. And I think this will be 50. It's not. It's actually 40. It's actually 40. So 30, 40. So the last 4 digits are the height and the width. and then the thickness is, no, hold on, zero that out, is 5 millimeters roughly. So I don't know why it says 50. Should have been 0.5. That's my personal opinion. So about 5 point, anywhere from 5 millimeters to 511 with the adhesive on it. So it's 5 millimeters thick, 40 millimeters long, and 30 millimeters wide. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I get the correct battery on the Amazon. Well, I found a battery, but it's $20. And looks to me that it's going to be here sometimes in between January 11 and February 2nd. That's too long. Let me see if there's another battery that I can use. There we go. It's a PL 5030, and this one is 41, which is fine. That 1 millimeter is not going to hurt anything. And they are all 3.7 volts LiPo battery, and it'll be here on the 29th. So I'm going to click buy now. Log into my Amazon account. Okay. Okay, this tax $9.44. So I ordered it on the from the Amazon. I'm printing a receipt. I always print the receipt, and then I write down the date when I ordered it, because on these receipts they don't show a date in here. So, but the battery is, as you can see, AKZ YTUE 3.7 volts, 550 milliamp hour, 50, 30, 41. So it's going to be just a millimeter longer, and that millimeter is not that big of a deal. There's room for the 41. So there we go, $9.44 total. So that's not bad for getting that thing fixed. So, but for now I'm gonna have to put it in a box, at least like temporarily, like that, so it's shielded from problems. And then I have this magnet. This memory card, I'm going to put it right here somewhere, and put this cover like that, and move it on my desk that way. don't think we're gonna need these tools anymore. I will leave out the screwdriver that I'm gonna need. Just push it over there with the magnet. Okie dokie. So that should do for today, and I hope that I can tell you later on, or maybe videotape the rest of it. We'll see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like the video.